Now we're going to take a look at 5X Mega Canister Shell from Flashing Fireworks. Pulling out. We're going to be looking at red dahlia with titanium silver chrysanthemum. Got 9 grams of BP for our lift package. Quite a bit of glue in there. Hold her in. This thing with these 5-inchers is generally, it's just a lot more plug material in there, it's all, you know. Now they got Red Apple and Motor City. They're supposedly going to have their 6-inch canister shells, which it's 6-inch canister shell, but it's still limited to the same composition weights as other ones, so. Oh, that's 52 grams. 52, is that right? Yeah. 52 grams overall. For the 5-inch from Flashing Fireworks. We'll get a demo up of these boys, let you take a look at them. Alright guys, until next time, have a good one.